Welcome back to another video. My name is Max and this is John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel where we take cars and we upgrade them with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reverse cameras, audio upgrades and many more things. But this video today is on this absolute beast and weapon behind me. Here we have an Aston Martin DB11. Now this is just a quick walkthrough before the customer comes and collects his vehicle. So walk around with me and I'm going to show you what we fitted. Now on the front of the vehicle we have added a front dash camera. In fact, there is a rear dash camera, and also a dash cam battery on this car. Now, why would you want all of those things? Well, when you're driving this thing, if you want some protection, if someone whacks into you, a dash camera is going to give you some sort of evidence to prove that it wasn't you that was one at fault. And here's what the rear dash camera looks like. Very nice and discreet at the back of the car. Sorry, it's a bit drizzly out there. It's kind of hard to see it. There we go. You can just about make it out. It's a pretty small thing, so when you're looking at the back of the car, what a beautiful sight. I love these rear lights. But this dash camera system records front and rear while driving and also has a battery to run it while parked up. This battery is an additional option that we always recommend for customers that want to have protection when they're away from the car, because if someone whacks into this vehicle while you're away from it, the camera will record and pick it up, save it onto the memory card so you can get that person. Now, quickly gonna run you into the interior where we've done a couple other upgrades on this car. Now, this car also has Apple CarPlay added to it. Now, this is what Apple CarPlay looks like on the factory screen. We do quite a lot of Aston Martins and all sorts of cars, from Ferraris, Rolls Royces, BMWs, Mercedes. We cover all of them. So if you want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto working on your factory car screen, get in contact with us because we will be able to create a quote for you. This works through the factory controls and it's all wirelessly connected to my phone, which is why there's no cables. But this is Apple CarPlay. Sorry, it's a bit overexposed because the light's in front of the car, but it looks really good, crisp and great on this factory screen. So two other things that we fitted on this car. Here is Trak tags. We have also installed an insurance approved tracker. These are the tags. We've actually refitted this tracker from his last vehicle, so he's had the tracker fitted onto this. So this tracker, if the car's ever started without those tags, basically the tracking company will know when the ignition's been turned on. They will call you, check that everything's okay, and if everything's not okay, they will send the authorities out to go retrieve your vehicle. Now, that even means if you're not in the car and suddenly your vehicle's been lifted up off the floor, they will know about it and they will get in contact to check on everything. So that's tracking, which is great for the cure if your vehicle gets stolen. But how about prevention? So let's prevent it from getting stolen as well. We have also added a product called the AutoWatch Ghost to this vehicle. Real simple, effective product which will prevent anyone from taking this vehicle, even if they have the keys, which I do here now. So let's just shut the doors. I've just turned the ignition on. I'll put my foot on the brake, start the vehicle up. Oh, hey, lovely. Now, I'm ready to go. We have got our Apple CarPlay running. If I put it into drive, oh, the vehicle has killed itself. Now, that didn't happen by accident. That is because we have fitted a product on here that prevents anyone from being able to drive this vehicle away. Now, depending on what spec DB11 you got, you will hear the V8 or the V12 start up and give a bit of a rumble out the back. But as soon as someone tries to actually drive it away, it will end up stalling on them. So, how do you start this vehicle properly? If I'm going to spin it back around, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to press start on this button here to turn the ignition on. Now currently the customer's code is just a basic one. It's not actually what he's going to roll out here with, but it's just on the window switches, left, right, left, right. Now on the dashboard we will get a flash. Now the high beam light just flashed twice, which means that it is confirmed that we, the owner, can drive this vehicle now. And there we go, I've just fired it up. Engine is now running. And if I go to put it into drive, it's not going to stall out on us. Perfect. Put it back into park. We're not going anywhere yet. So that's how the Ghost works. Real simple but effective immobilizer. Without knowing the Ghost code, you cannot start and drive away this car. It's effective on all sorts of cars, from Rolls Royces to Bentleys to BMWs and anything in between and above. So get in contact with us if you want to put a bit of protection on your Aston Martin. It's really not a great deal. This product generally costs somewhere between £500, £600, £700 applied and fitted, depending on vehicle. So get in contact with us and we can protect your pride and joy, because for that small cost, it's going to save you a world of problems. So that's it from this brief video. I'm Max at John Cleese. Thanks for watching this video on this Aston Martin, on this Apple CarPlay, the dash camera install. So that's how the dash cam looks from the front. Sorry, didn't really show you there. Hides behind the mirror on this car, so really hides away. The rear dash camera sits just at the back there, which is very nice and tidy. The battery is hidden behind the scenes. This CarPlay solution integrates really nicely into the vehicle, even to the degree that the customer has their 360 camera system still working as normal. But many thanks for watching this video. If you want to upgrade your Aston, bring it up to date, upgrade it with the latest security, get in contact with us. Take care and goodbye.